Good evening all. I took a trade here over here. I said in the before video that I am using 9 and 15 EMA strategy because if 9 is below then it is a bearish, if 9 is above then it is a bullish, and I am also using a 200 EMA to check whether it is above 200 then it is bullish, below 200 then it is a bearish. Here I have taken a real trade over here when 17th October, but I couldn't record it. Now I am explaining it how I have taken a trade. So here I am getting a trend line over here. Once the trend line is broken and now you can see it is taking a reverse pullback. So this is called pullback. So it has taken a pullback. From here again we can draw a trend line. So it has broken. So I have taken a trade exactly over here from here. So I am going to draw this short position here. So I have taken here and I have put a stop loss above this. So almost $3 stop loss. So I used to book $6, but I have trailed it until the $21. So I am attaching the screenshot. I have taken a photo which I am doing in a live trade, but it's not recorded, but I have recorded that in phone mobile camera, and I am attaching this screenshot over here and the video also over here. I took a trade over from year to year. So I booked a profit of around $21. So exactly here, and I would have tried again, but first time I am doing a live trade on a trailing basis. So I have booked here, means 1:7. So if I risk $3, I am booking a profit of $21, and again it has gone down, it has went down. So completely this is simple strategy I am using. So you can also try these strategies, very simple, but main focus should be on psychology, because psychology is very important, because so much EMAs crossovers will happen, but you need to fix to the rule, little stop loss, and you can trail it to the maximum profit. But whenever you wish the trade is gonna happen, then only you have to execute, or else you should not. So this is the main criteria. So I have booked almost 1:7 on 17th October. I am attaching the screenshot over here. Later on again I took a trade over here. See, simple trading strategy. So again this trend line, once it has breakdown year to year, but I have tried once again, but I have risked almost 1:1, or cost to cost I have exited because it has given a reversal. So or else I would have booked again 1:2, 1:3 here. So this type of trade you have to execute. I am showing it in live trades. So in upcoming videos I will show you how I take trades, and I try to come every day live, so you can learn it in a live market trading. So you can also open an account and you can start trading. Okay, thank you.